Maiga yenkwana yo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Musike Paul Simba Arati ritukuri ijuma chinga kichogo chingera ritukuri obosibore rimanyikane buna jamhuri niko bono rituko ria rero niko ensemo ya barai kurwase county yo ya Kisii bakorogwa no munasiasa uyibo igoro monchoreria omanyikane buna Joel hoyo kabero mu MCA bwe ward ya Gesusu Benson Ongeri negatia barai bande banyana ko babagwesokia na kumusaba mugavana koenekia amagendro ase chinsemo chionsi na kolengane ne chinsemo chinde atari koenekia gwanchireria konde gwensi na buno murikito Petwell anyara ko baga kwarigana chinkwana chabara yabo ase orobotiro ko bwatia niko bono bagandire homugusigo chamo na kumusira hoyo mwabo Fred Matiangi uyo neganga yo gochekorie kergo kyobora ibwensa sobo chori bone bori bosio mwaka bwe chirubere eronga bere na isano na ibere
tunaenda
karate
A press statement from the Kisii County opinion leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, we have gathered here as opinion leaders. We want to strictly condemn what happened in Kiamokama during Mashujaa Day, whereby County Governor Jamhuri Day, when the Kisii County Governor Paul Simba Arati presided over and made some sorry remarks. We, the opinion leaders of this county, we want to say that devolution came in order for those people who are down there to feel and get development. Remember that you are voted from all 47 wards, and as a father, you must balance and put all resources equally.
Abantu bonsipi bona totemi ngane rutakete chikura 2032 ngane rutakete rutachi kumutigira yani akumutigira ndu tubwato mwana ito Matiangi ngaito kobeka Matiangera abakusiba mindu twari kubwatsi Matiangi tumubwati sense nonde bwense kumukwana bobe ekiamanyora negeta amanyora abantu aminto nara itwabwate macho wasikwe Matiangi asikwe abagusiba sikwe abagusiba ito intwe abantu mbara babeira ababisa baitu moteri naro teretengo omobisa omosani abagusiba ito tuansire konyoranga andake mutaete gukora ebintu ebi mutosareri esauri ntobwato moino mwana ito Fred Okengo Matiangi okori obo president tiga tumanywe buna abagusi ntutori bantu baborema tiga nande ntori kora monde igo toko requestinga into na banta batohereru
amangana one time no Okengo Fred Matiangi akoreteki ali igo omugabana gabike seginga onde bwensi go support Matiangi tata itikomorora nkoboria abantu baitu bagusi imwanche omugabana Paul Simba Arati asego checheria Okengo Fred Matiangi